Hello everyone, see I am back again with another video. In the last video I told you that interviews are basically divided into three stages. Okay, we cannot say that interview is only concerned about one day. So these three stages are pre-interview, interview the D-Day, and then there is the third stage which is known as the post-interview stage. In the previous video I told you enough about the pre-interview stage. And if you have not watched that video, please find the link in the description box given below and go back to that video and watch what kind of preparation you have to do before going to that particular interview. Okay. So fine, in this video I am going to tell you what all is supposed to be done on the D-Day or the interview day. Yes, in this day, first of all, be very much punctual. Okay. Reach the venue on time or even before time. You should have at least 1 hour in hand when you have already reached that venue. Okay, and after reaching that venue, don't sit idle, sit comfortably and try to observe the environment around. See the people who are working there already, are they smiling faces or they are looking very much sad or they are looking very angry. And if you can sense some vibrations, try to sense those vibrations also. Sometimes some places have very good vibrations that you feel very much energetic and positive, and some places really don't have good vibrations. If you can, obviously I know all the people cannot understand this vibration thing, but if you have that intuition, if you can sense the vibration, that will be very nice for you. Secondly, you have already dressed properly, as I told you in the earlier video. So you should have dressed properly enough to impress the other people. Now this is the time that the person has called you and it is your turn to enter into that room. How will you enter? You will very gently open the door. Okay, and while entering into the room, after you have entered into the room, you have to close the door very gently. It should look that you are a very decent person, though you are or aren't. You should have to show that you are a very decent person. After closing the door very nicely, very properly and in a decent way, stand there and just wish the persons who are sitting in the interview panel. Okay, whether it is morning, afternoon or evening, you should be very much particular. You should have a clear watch. There is no need to get confused over whether it is good morning or good afternoon. And that wish should be in a loud voice and in an impressive voice. You should not good morning. If you say like this, obviously it will show that you are not confident. And if you are getting so much out, good morning sir, so it will look like, oh my god, it's just like some bomb has fallen somewhere. So don't be like this. Simply say, good morning sir, and just stand there, keep waiting over there. There is no need to sit unless and until the other person asks you to sit down. Okay, wait for them to offer you a chair. When they offer you a chair, when they offer you a seat, you have to gently pull the chair and then settle down. And after settling down, be very much comfortable, be very much confident. Keep one thing in your mind, that it is not only that they are taking your interview, you have also that power, you have also that right. It is still in your hand whether you join that company or not. Okay, so mind one more thing, even if you are not selected in this particular interview, nobody is going to die, what is not going to be over. So be positive, be confident. Don't think that if they don't select you, everything will be over, everything will be finished. No, it's not like that. There are so many opportunities and maybe that in your field something better is written. So you should keep all these things in mind. It will make you more confident. It will make you more natural. Okay, so coming back to the scene of the interview, now you have settled down on the chair. Don't try to lean against the back of the chair and don't try to sit like this. Okay, don't shook so much. Just sit smartly enough and don't forget to wear a smile. A smile should always be there on your lips. Okay. After that, they will ask you about your intro. They will definitely ask you, tell something about yourself in 2 minutes or say 1 minute. Now this introduction should be prepared beforehand. Obviously they are not interested in your personal biography like your brothers and sisters and what your father is doing and all that stuff. They are definitely not interested in all these things. Okay? So this kind of answer you have to prepare beforehand. This should be a very much impressive reply. So what can be that particular reply? I am going to make another video on questions and answers on which can be asked during an interview. So for that you have to watch my next video. Still in this video I am just focusing on the whole scene, the whole picture which is going on during that interview, the interview room. Okay, so you have settled down and you have put forward your a document file. They will ask some questions and you will have to answer in a very positive manner. Even though there are some questions that you don't know the answers, they may ask you some subject related questions, and suppose you don't know the answer, there's no need to feel blank, there is no need to lose your confidence, and there is no need to be hopeless. Be very much confident, be calm, be peaceful, and just simply say, I'm sorry, I have not heard about this term. I'm really sorry. I think I'll have to work on this, and I will definitely, after this interview, I will definitely work on this and find out the real answer or solution to this problem. I'm extremely sorry. So this way you have to handle that question for which you don't know the answer. Secondly, don't forget that that is a no complaint zone. No complaints at all. So don't give any complaint or don't show any grudges toward your previous job. Okay, you should not say that the working environment was not good, I was not finding it good, or I was not finding it comfortable to work in such kind of environment. There was too much of politics. I didn't find it easy to work there, or the employer was such and such, or they were not paying salaries on time. Don't give such kind of negative comments, because they are not going to take a stand in favor or against that particular company or for you even, but they are judging your personality and they are judging your state of mind, your mental approach. They are trying to judge whether you are positive or a negative person. So don't give any negative comment to any question. Be positive in your approach. And secondly, they can ask, suppose if they ask a question like, do you drink alcohol? And you obviously don't drink alcohol, but there's no need to go so much fires in saying no. You cannot say no, I never drink alcohol, because alcohol is not good for health. So you should not speak like this. Be very much neutral here also, and don't show that you are so much negative and that you are so much stick to something. Say that sir, excuse me, I'm sorry, I don't drink alcohol at all. So it should look that you are a very decent person and you are very much flexible and you are not so much stubborn. You should not show your stubbornness there. And then there is one more important thing that you should take into consideration, that you are not supposed to talk about your salaries until and unless they ask you your salary expectations. And even if they ask you the salary expectation, you are not going to give you a particular amount. Okay, just tell them, as per the reputation of your institution, I expect a handsome salary. But whatever you will offer, I will think over it and we can talk about it. And if they offer discussion, if they start discussion on this point, only then you are allowed to discuss. Otherwise, there is no need to discuss, or there is no need to start this question. Don't ask that what kind of benefit you give to your employees. It will show that you are very much money minded and you are not focused on your work. On the other hand, if you ask about your work responsibilities, suppose sir, excuse me, just tell me if I am selected here, which kind of job responsibilities I will have to see, okay, or which department will be conferred on me. This will show that you have interest on working there. So do all these things and stay positive throughout. They can ask you some questions for which you have negative answers only, but you have to modulate your answer. For example, if they say, what are your viewpoints on this pandemic or corona? Now, generally people are talking all the negative things about this corona, but you are not supposed to talk about this. You cannot say, oh, corona has spoiled the economy, due to corona we are not getting salaries, due to corona so many people have died, this kind of thing is happening, world is going to end, I'm really worried what will happen. No, don't speak so much of negative about anything, even when the thing is really negative. See your positive approach. Okay, it will show that how very much optimistic you are. Instead, you will say, sir, see, I understand that corona has done so much of destruction everywhere, and it has impacted every aspect of life. Each and every individual is deeply impacted. But corona has really opened new horizons. We are doing so many technological advancements and inventions in every field that it's really, I don't think it's not a far off story that India will also be known as a developed nation, because in India even we are developing so many things, so many gadgets, online classrooms, virtual things, and so many things are being exploited and explored. Okay, so this will show how much optimistic and positive you are. So these are all about whatever you have to face during interview and whatever you are going to talk about. This is the way how you are going to tackle that interview in a positive manner. Okay, and when all the questions are over, you will gently pay your regards and show that you are very much thankful, you are very much grateful that they have called you for this decent job and this good or dignified job or dignified post. Then gently stand up from your seat and don't forget to keep that chair on its proper place. Earlier, wherever it was, keep that chair there only, and then pick up your bag and move out with confidence and with proper a full smile on your face. Decently move out, slowly open the door, and be careful about closing the door behind you. You should not bang the door while leaving. It will also create a minus mark or a bad impression on the interviewers. So these are the all things that you have to keep into consideration while you are going to face your interview. So my best wishes to you, and if you have liked this concept, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe my channel if you want to see another videos, and there are so many things to be done after you have faced the interview. So if you want to watch those videos, subscribe to my channel and share these videos to as many people as possible. And at the end, again, I will say good luck. My best wishes are with you definitely, and you will definitely crack your dream interview in the first chance itself. So all the way.